Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I am loving these mugs.
Anyone that knows me knows I love a good mug. Coffee is definitely my thing. I have it almost every day. So having a good mug is definitely important. I feel like it makes the coffee taste better. So these cups really show off the color of the coffee, and it's just really overall a good look. And it's not too big, so you won't feel bad when you refill it. It's also good for cold drinks. I have a couple of people in my house that love different things to drink, so it's great that it comes with a lot of different ones. So good, it makes me want to dance. Yum, delicious.
So if you're looking for a nice mug that's a nice size, that you can see how beautiful your drinks look, I would definitely recommend these mugs. And that's my point of view.